Hi, hello friends, my name is Aditya. Today I am going to show you how to increase speed of your fidget spinner and how you can make your fidget spinner less noisy. So let's start. I won't waste much of your time. It is like I have 3 spinners and I have tested on every fidget spinner like these 3. So what we have to do is we just have to open this thumb cap. Hope you can see this properly. You just have to open it like this, okay, like this, or you can open from any blade or any scissor, okay, or any cutter you feel comfortable. And what you have to do is you can see this bearing, this spins the fidget spinner. So what you have to do is just put drop of oil, not much, just a drop will work. If you put much excess oil, it may spoil it, it will be like shabby, it will comes on your hand, blah 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 stuff. So just put a drop, a single drop is enough for a fidget spinner. And after doing that, put the thumb cap and just spin it for a minute. Then oil will get rotated and it will be much smoother than before, and it will increase the spin time and it will increase speed also. What I have used is, it is engine oil of my bike. You can use any oil which is thick enough. If it will be very thin, don't use it, or else it won't stay in the bearing and it will come out and it can spoil your clothes as well. Oil stain doesn't go. So here is the simple trick what I have shared. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. नीचे आपको दिखेगा एक सब्सक्राइब बटन रेड कलर का, प्लीज़ उसे सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो मच.